Hi, this is Piero, Technical Director of Checkpoint, introducing firmware 32.5 of the Protector. This firmware has some interesting features in the networking, anti-spam and antivirus areas, but let's start from the first one, the DMZ port forwarding feature. Some background information first. The Protector is a gateway to the DMZ for traffic coming from the local area network and from the internet. For this kind of traffic, it can use its main network card or a dedicated virtual network card which has a different IP address. The Protector allows to choose which card to dedicate to the traffic that must be forwarded to the DMZ and assign it an IP address. This function is available through the menu Network Setup, DMZ Forwarding. In this page you can select the network card that should be forwarded to DMZ by choosing one of the available options. The option to forward a dedicated virtual card is to be preferred. In this case it's necessary to give this virtual card an IP address in the same subnet as the Protector. All traffic that reaches this IP will be then automatically forwarded to DMZ. If the Protector is configured to forward its own network card, not all traffic is allowed to be routed to the DMZ. Therefore, this option is recommended not to be your first choice and should be used only in the case it's not possible to assign more than one IP address to the Protector. When this option is selected, the list of ports that should be forwarded to DMZ can be added in this list. Another new function is in the gray listing options. It makes possible to create a list of whitelisted senders besides a list of whitelisted recipients which was already available in previous firmware. This feature is especially useful when the Protector receives mails from senders who use services like Microsoft Office 365 or Gmail and so on. In any case, services which use a large number of SMTP servers. Each of these SMTP servers has a different IP address, and therefore every mail, even coming from the same sender, will always be considered as a new mail by the graylist filter and will be consequently rejected. For this reason, it is important to have a list of whitelisted senders. The option to use or not use the graylisting filter is unique for both lists. The Protector's antivirus, formerly used only for checking the mail content, has been extended to the web filter. This option can be activated or left not active through the web filter setup page. Here you can activate the antivirus by clicking on the Use Antivirus checkbox. From this moment on, all the traffic that passes through any of the existing filters will then be checked against possible viruses. Let's make a test. Here I have the link to the signature of a virus, and if I download it, I am free to download, and here we can see the signature of this virus. But if I activate the antivirus function and then I restart the web filter, as soon as the web filter restarts, I am not able anymore to download the same virus. And this is the Protector's error message. Last function I'm going to talk about is in the email setup page. When the option to encrypt email is enabled, the Protector opens port 465 for receiving encrypted mails and closes port 25 to avoid receiving unencrypted mail. A new option now offers the possibility to keep receiving unencrypted mail on port 25 when the SSL encryption has been activated. To keep receiving unencrypted mails, simply check the unencrypted mail checkbox in this page. For more details about these features and for a complete list of changes of firmware 32.5, take a look at the release notes document that is available for download on our website. Thank you for watching this video and for using Checkpoint Protector. Bye bye.